How you doing today, Miss White? Yeah. Yeah, well, all our laundry is done.
Well, here's them 2 bags there. That's been piled up.
But guess what? Now the management cutting everybody's hours that work in the building now. Whoever work in the building, no more washing on Saturday and Sunday now. The laundromat is closed in the building Saturday and Sunday. I said, damn, why would they do that?
Saving on the water bills.
Oh, right. Yeah. Oh, so you went by Lisa's house?
No, Lisa called, left a message on my phone yesterday, and she went to work. She said she had some problems. Had also some Puerto Rican girl there that works there. Chinese,
What, Chinese here, you mean? Yeah, well.
They must have paid some money for the part.
Well, probably what they probably trying to do, they probably trying to change the quality of life in the building.
Well, that's going to take a while to change.
Oh, yeah, of course. I met my mom's house. I got her on film.
We sat down with the show's creators to find out the origin.
Yeah, but I went up in there, and that guy, he was